How to delete child Google account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily delete your child Google account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you can do is simply head into your browser on Google Chrome and searching for delete child Google account. Then you can see Google Help. Under it says restore, remove or delete your child's Google account. Tap on it. Then down below you can see here the blue option restore, remove or delete your child's account. Tap on it and you can see it will ask you to sign into the family manager account that manages the child's account. Then tap on sign in and then go ahead and sign in. Now you'll have to go to the prompts. Once you're signed in, it will take you to the account deletion page. Then you can go ahead and delete your child Google account easily. So this is how you can easily delete your child's Google account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues as well.